My opponents say that we are running out of room and resources. Also, that if population continues to grow, then we will be depleting the forest and there will be many more diseases. But me and my teammates think that if there's more population, then the governments will be able to survive longer and be able to have more power because they will be running off of more people's tax dollars and they will be able to fix the forests and be able to have more resources by buying more stuff. According to Philip P. Eapen, warnings against overpopulation are based on misconceptions and doomsday predictions. For instance, this so-called population boom of the 20th century is due to medical advances that have decreased infant mortality and prolonged life expectancy, not spiraling birth rates. Fears and concerns do not stand up to the facts.
Overpopulation is the problem. Too many resources are being used, and that without population control, people will be open to diseases. My teammates and I have said overpopulation is not driving environmental destruction at the global level. Overconsumption is. That many countries worldwide are actively encouraging family growth, and that the one-child policy in China is indeed against human rights. My teammates and I think that overconsumption is the main problem and not overpopulation. A study from Princeton University states that to sustain one American, you need 23.75 acres. Let me remind you, this is one American life. Each year worldwide, more than 168,192,000 trees are cut down. Only 128,850,475 babies are born a year. This suggests that overconsumption is the main problem and not overpopulation. This is important because soon the number of trees will be reduced worldwide, and trees are one of our most important and valuable resources we have on Earth because it produces air and wood for building. The one-child policy in China. How many of you are a sibling of 2, 3, or more? A mother and or father to more than one child, and they were taken from you against their will. My group and I would like to change this. Thank you for your time.
They say more population would help government last longer and they would have more tax money. But we believe that a population control policy will help more than no population policy. And with everything gone, there will be no way to get it back. Because as stated by Minchin, Iyest, and Tom Warhol, our human culture produces very high amounts of pollution. Gases and solid waste disturb the chemical composition of the soil, water, and our air. This often comes with disastrous consequences for not only us as humans, but for the animals and plant species we live with. Animals fail to grow in polluted soil, and animals are poisoned by chemicals in the water they drink and the food they eat. The waste also gets pumped into oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, causing deaths to thousands of aquatic species. Overpopulation will not only hurt the people, but also hurt our ecosystem and our food chain. With a broken link in our food chain, we're not going to be able to live that long. The citizens of our nation need to open their eyes and not only clearly watch our population dangerously rising, but also do something about it before it's too late and the food we eat is long gone, and the animals we love are gone, and the water we drink is gone, and the air we breathe in and walk through every day is too polluted and gone for us to even see through clearly anymore. Therefore, population control will benefit us all in many ways. It will stop pollution, which will stop the nasty air and damaging our ecosystem, which will stop animals and plants from going extinct, and which that will help us survive.